Hey guys, this is Dave, and driving down the road I ran into a gentleman that's pulling this beautiful 69 Deville Travel trailer, and he was nice enough to let me take some shots and even do some shooting on the inside. So looks like she's pretty sturdy and steady. I love these old vintage trailers. So you just never know what you're going to find on the road, especially on a holiday weekend. Whoops, sorry, I almost fell on a rock. That is too cool. 69 Deville. And he said he was even nice enough to let me go inside, so I'm going to check it out here. Hopefully, ooh, yep, she opens good. Oh wow. That is too cool. Oh wow. It's got a little bathroom over there. And I had one about this size that was a Coachman. It was set up just like this. It wasn't a 69, but it was... Boy, it looks sharp. Dang, she looks good. Got a little bed right here. Keep your bed down and make it to... Everybody lays down and just watches TV anyway. And then he's got a... I guess you call it a gacho at the front. And then there's the table and fridge, stove. Got it all. Man, that's cool. It's nice of him to let me look inside. He saw me outside taking some photos of it. And just going to lock it back real quick without... Yeah, got her locked back. Alright, then we'll shoot some more from the front. Hope it's not too windy today. I didn't look and see if I had my wind control turned on. I just saw this and had to take advantage of the moment. I like that door. I don't know if that was an original or not, but it fits. Little porch slide up there. 69 Deville. She's still going down the road and making memories and enjoying life. So I hope you liked this. I did. I sure did. And have a good 4th. Thanks, guys.